Number 23 kanji. 23. So here is the meaning of that kanji: fire or light. Fire or light. So here is a stroke: first, second, first, second, and third and fourth. So here is first, second, third, and fourth. So again, first, second, third, and fourth. So again, first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. So again, first, second, third, fourth. So sound like that: he, be, ka, he, be, ka, he, be, ka. So here the word, sound, and meaning. So hanabi. So kore first, second, third. So here and letter. Hanabi, first, second. So here and later. Hanabi. So kore hanabi. Hanabi, fireworks. Hanabi, fireworks. Hibana. So again, so that's hibana. Hibana. Hibana, sparks. Sparks. Hibana, sparks. Sparks. Kazen. So here Kajan. Sorry, Kajan. So this is the strong. Kajan. This is the Yama. So here is volcano. So volcano. Kajan. Volcano. Kayobi. So again, Kayo. So here Kayobi. Kayobi, Tuesday. Kayobi for Tuesday.